Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to link Facebook account to Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to link your Facebook account to your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your person icon or profile icon. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here on this panel just above the logout button at the bottom side of the screen. Tap on settings, and over here guys you can see the social accounts available for us, where there says the connected accounts. Tap on social accounts, and when this panel appears you can see the logo for Facebook, Instagram and Dropbox. We are connecting or linking the Facebook account to Picsart, so we'll tap on Facebook, and after tapping guys you will be landed on this kind of interface, or this kind of box will appear. And if your current Facebook account is the account that you want to link on Picsart, tap on your account over here, or if you want to connect with another account, tap on the connect with another account button over here. And with that being done guys, a login panel to your Facebook page will open. Enter your email address and your password over here and tap on login button, and after you log in your Facebook account from this panel, your Facebook account will be linked to your Picsart account. And that being said guys, this is how to link Facebook account to Picsart account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.